Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Here we have the box here. This is a Fisherman sandal. Made in China from OKKO. So, typical shoebox. Here's the window. Comes in this bag here. Looks the same both ways. The cushion feels pretty comfortable. It's like a memory foam-ish. You can already smell it. Here's the bottom. I'm not sure if it grips good or not. There it is. The side, back, other side, front. What it looks like. Just if you're interested in the sandal, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.